I'm Sujata Nair, mother of two kids. My elder son, he is 14 years old, and the younger one is 10 years old. It's about I came to know about this about my 14-year-old son, Vineet. Actually, I was very curious when my friend once called up and told me about the DMIT. So I actually did not understand what is DMIT and all. So, but then he explained, he said that I'll show you there's something counseling. So I said if it's a counseling part, it would be something telling about the kids and all. So I was very curious to know about the kids, what it would be and all. That sharing something about my child where I can be a very good parent and all, I thought I should learn about it. So then I asked him to come over. He explained me, he did the scanning test and all. And there I met Ms. Shashi sir. He told me about the counseling things, and he told me about how we can know the strength and weakness of our child through the finger imprints. And then I thought, I and my husband Vinod, we thought of going into this deeply and learn about our child. And then when the reports came in, so I came to know about the weakness and the strengths and all, which I actually knew it, but I did not know how to overcome it. I knew about his weakness and all, what is it and all, but nobody had actually told me how I can overcome. Even he knew about this when he heard these are the things where he is low, these are the things where he is average and all, which I used to tell him, and even he used to tell me that where I can overcome, but never thought of it. And then Shashi sir explained me how we can overcome all these things, how we can how his weaknesses can be
Overcome.
how his weakness can be like improved and all. And then I thought of going into this and learnt about it. So I actually liked about it and all. So wherein I came to know about all these things and all. And I think my husband also has learned how actually he had missed all these parts where his son was doing all these things and he did not know about it. So now even he came to know what is his son's weakness and all. Thank you.
What will you suggest other parents to do DMIT?
I would suggest each and every parent should do the DMIT, because in the DMIT we get the strong actually the results of it, and there is a paperwork. We usually know our children's this things and all, but with the only little aspects and all. This can go into detail. So I suggest all the parents should go into DMIT.
Nice.
Thank you.